G'day everyone, welcome back to another video, and today we'll be playing some Balanced Canada. Just going to play through and give you a few tips along the way, just to help you learn a thing or two, and let's just get stuck into it. Because I have been learning Canada recently. I've learned most of the provinces. I haven't learned Quebec and the Maritimes, but I've learned all the other ones pretty well. But yeah, we'll see what we get. And Balanced Canada is probably one of the more difficult Canada maps as well. What do we see? This one looking kind of hilly. I'm thinking yeah, I was gonna say Alberta, British Columbia. We've got an Alberta bollard there, so if it's hilly, it's probably gonna be like in the western side, towards the BC border. Maybe like around here. I think it's a bit too mountainous around here though, is the problem. This is interesting. Send around here. Well, around here's not bad. We'll just try right angle, like somewhere around here. I was a bit further north, but not too bad, you know. Take that. Next one. I'll just reload the page. Alright, what do we got? We got plain double yellows. That's interesting. What does that say? Windsor. That's in Canada. Sorry, not Canada. Ontario. Downtown. Windsor's this. Windsor's over here. Where is it? This is Windsor over here. We have front places I checked out. 3 kilometers. Exit 6. Is that the number 1? Where's the one that goes to Windsor? There's no ones that go to Windsor. Does it say 3? I'm pretty sure that says 1. So what are we looking at here? Well, these one, actually they're not Ontario guardrails, but ooh, this is interesting. I never heard of downtown, Windsor and downtown. I never heard of that. I guess somewhere around here. I guess down near Windsor. Oh, we're WS because we're in Nova Scotia, idiot. But why do we have? Oh, there's Windsor there. But why do we have front plates? No, I guess it didn't quite fit for Ontario, mate. There's another Windsor. Why do you name those other places Windsor? What's that bollard? I can't see. No front, so. Still quite a few provinces possible. Can we see the back plates? Like green? Sask, I guess this could be. I mean, it's nothing obvious, but Sask, if this is Sask, could be like north or something, doesn't it? Go be like north if it is Sask. Willow Cove or something. Yeah, it's something interesting around. Balanced Canada moments, just balanced Canada moments. Maybe like Saskatchewan, I guess. I guess I'll go somewhere north, like. I don't know. Not showing up anywhere in the north. I think, no, this doesn't make any sense. Just go like east or west, doesn't it? I don't see anything that just kind of just gives it away at all. It's definitely a very difficult round, very difficult. Houses not giving me any vibes really. What does that say? Summer camps registered at 8:30. Ooh, area codes. Bloody hell. I don't know area codes. No, it was east. Nova Scotia again. I hate Nova Scotia now. It's just whatever. Gen 2. Right, this is gonna be Yukon. Yeah, this is definitely Yukon. This is somewhere up. One of these roads up here, I think this is definitely Yukon. One of these roads that kind of run like a, this one I think was alright. So if it's okay. Good angle here, we'll try it here. Try right here. Oh no. Oh, it's actually BC. Well, we're in that northern part near Yukon, so I guess I'll take it, but it's actually not the province streak, so. Let's just refresh this. Or anything. Gen 4. French, I guess we're just in Quebec. Some cars have got front plates, which is actually not confusing me. Oh, these ones don't though, so I guess, yeah, a lot of French around as well. I don't know how to read, I guess Quebec at the moment. Oh, that's actually, that's the Acadian flag, which is found in northern New Brunswick. Well, that explains maybe why we have a few front plates. Those are New Brunswick plates, I think, as well, so. And Acadia's found more in the north, so maybe like in like Bathurst or something. Yeah, let's try that. I think we're alright here. Holy! Just over in the next town over. That's a good guess, you know. Your results are not going to be great. 12k because we screwed up. These guesses are okay. The one in New Brunswick was obviously good. But then the two Nova Scotia ones, they really stuffed us up. Let's go for another game. Shall we? Let's see if we can try to improve on the 12.4. And yeah. What do we got? Okay, this looks doable. With some clues. Looking kind of, I'd say eastern. No fronts. That is a good meta actually. I know what province we're in now. That is a barrel on the in front of people's homes you find in Newfoundland. So we're going to be somewhere there. I don't know why I'm getting right angle. We're probably in some small town. It's probably not going to be St. John's, but why not? Pretty bit built up place. You know, why not? Let's try somewhere in there. Not too bad. We're in that part, so we'll take that. What do we got here? Any JCT? Do we have any fronts? No front plates. I mean, this one looks kind of doable too. Okay, double yellows. We got to consider Nova Scotia, and I think it could be this. That none of Nova Scotia plates have a little blue salvo in the middle, and that plate looks like that. What about this one? Kind of hard to tell. Yeah, actually, that is a Nova Scotia flag. I panned away from it, but yeah, that is a Nova Scotia flag. So we're going to be Nova Scotia here. What was it? 101. Well, this is 101. Let's just go. Cannot see what they say. So I'm just going to go here. 101 goes low with the up of the province, so can't do much about that. Oh, we go. I saw we have some transformers facing the road, which means we're going to be in either BC or New Brunswick. Looking around, I'd say BC. Very mountainous. Can't see if we got front plates or not, which is another good one. Because New Brunswick stopped using front plates in 2019 or 2019. But BC still uses front plates. I think I'm just going to go BC, like kind of north though. Like maybe around one of these towns. I don't know which ones actually have enough coverage. Oh no. What? We're like in a mountainous New Brunswick. Oh no. Well, that's what happens in GeoGuess. That was a bit dumb, but anyway, I think we got some Sask poles here actually. Yeah, we got 2 bulbs on the left and 1 on the right. 2 on the right, 1 on the left, and then yeah, so on. So we're gonna be somewhere in Saskatchewan. So Gen 2 Saskatchewan. I feel like you find more north. Just try somewhere around here maybe. Not too bad, we'll take that. And last one. Hope we can get a decent score here. That bollard is found in Manitoba and Saskatchewan. So we're gonna be one of the 2. Really narrowed it down to 2 of them. No little markings on the stop sign, which can give it away sometimes. I mean, we don't really have Sask pole, so I guess it's just Manitoba. Yeah. Let me just say about this one. I mean, I think that's the bollard you find around there. So, yeah, let's try Manitoba somewhere like maybe east, like around here. Yeah, it was around there. Good guess. 15A. We'll take that, to be honest. Like, not the best. Obviously, we screwed up on one of them, but we did good on the other one, so not too bad. And we learned from those mistakes now. I'm not a Canada expert at the moment, but I'm trying to get to as good as Canada as I possibly can. I've looked at the Plonker guide as well, which I highly recommend you check out. They've got some really their Canada guide is quite good. So are some of their other country guides I've looked at briefly. It's not waffling. What is this? Are they Ontario diamonds? Diamond bollards? I mean, if this is Ontario, where could this be though? Like, it's kind of hard to say. You know, it really is. Oh, it's this classic balanced Canada where they shove you with somewhere with no clues. I mean, we got this kind of... Yeah, this is just vegetation. There's no clues. We can't see the cars. They're too far away. Those balls actually don't really look like the diamond ones, so I'm just kind of stuffed. I'm stumped here. Just don't know where we are. Oh, gosh. No, I'm just stumped. Oh, excuse me. It's difficult because there's nothing around, like... Where do we want to go here? Like, I could try like, is Newfie? Okay, let's go for it. Is Newfie possible? I guess so. Newfie is not impossible. Newfie. But this is a very difficult round, I reckon. Quebec, I guess, possible. No, it wouldn't be BC. I don't think it's too flat. Alberta, maybe. I think it's Saskatchewan, Manitoba, unless it's some of the weird north round or something. Ontario, actually, good shout. Quebec, good shout. It's all these eastern provinces, good shout. So, man, this is just tough. Tough as tough, man. Like, kind of see if we're using front plates. I'm just gonna get this totally wrong. No poles, just vegetation. We'll go out here. In Western Ontario. What is that road angle looking like too? It's a good thing to check. What's that road angle looking like? Something like this could fit. Why not? And we were... I've had that place on Geogas before. We're on that... the Vancouver Island. Oh, damn. That is annoying, actually. We're on the Vancouver Island. Oh. Alright, straight in we go to the next round. I'll have to go a bit quicker on these ones. I'm running out of time a bit. This is a bit dry, a bit hilly. This is an insane landscape. I reckon we could be like down, I don't know, kind of down here. I was thinking kind of down way out here. Let's just try that. I can basically that shout. Just up like Kamloops, not bad though, so we'll take that. Yeah, difficult. That's an Ontario guardrail and diamond. We're gonna go west to the middle. Ontario is huge, so can't do much about that one. Generic. Soil, oh heck, what happened there? My battery, I think it's my battery. Yeah, we're back in, it's okay. This still looked kind of a little bit reddish, so I'm gonna go kind of Brunswick area, but I'm kind of confused. It could be Quebec, yeah, Quebec. Anyway, round 5 will bring us BC, I reckon. We'll go there. It's Yukon actually, Gen 4. So that was not a very good game, but yeah guys, that'll have to conclude it. Sorry for the rush finish, I just had to finish it off there. Leave a like down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.